Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishore Walle. I have completed BE/NTC in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's date it is in 3 January 2022. Today's Viva topic is a array list. Array list is the basic concepts of Java programming language from the object-oriented programming language. The Java open array list means the storings of the elements, and this open elements is the open size is not of size of the not open fix. The array list is the work as an same as an array, but is the array of an size is not flexible, not of an fix, and it is of an any time size is a large and also upon open less of the open size, but it is size is not of an not of an fix. The array list is a flexible of an element from the traditional of an array. The array list is use of the pen dynamically of an array. The array list it is the uses of an insertions of the pen correct of the pen orders. And the array list is the any times add of the pen many open elements. And it is also of the pen array list open many times open every times and the many times remove of an many open elements. But it is of a size is not of a flexible. Depend on the open size is the open array of a list. And the array of a list is the work of a dynamically of a traditional array. What is the important points open of an array list? Array list is the important points of a work as the open dynamically of an array. The array list of an array list of the open array of the size is not of an fix. It is open many times of an change and the flexible of the open array list size. The array list of the open size is the contents of the open non-class of the open synchronizations. It is open array list is not of the open synchronizations, but it is the class is the non-synchronizations. The array list of the open classes is the correctly of the open insertions open sorting. And the array list of an array use of the open many open methods. Likewise of an it is an add method then remove of an method remove all of an method last index of an method then index of an method then get method set method then it is in an it is boolean of an methods. Many of an methods use of an array of an list. Array of an list is the work of an array, but it is the array of an list is the work of an array, but it is the not of an flexible size. It is of an same of an it is the same as an same as the open dynamically open starting array. The array list is the open array list is the same open array, but it is the open but it is the open traditional open array, traditionals of the open array. The array list is the open less of the open array list is the open slow and the less of the open array of an list. What is the methods of an array list? First method it is in an add method, void of an add. The add method is the of an array list is the using of an adding of the open elements of an array of an list. Remove of an method void of an remove. The void of an remove method is used to the open remove of the open specific positions of the open specific of an element using of an array list. Then third method it is in a remove of an all methods. The remove of an all methods is used to the open is used to the open remove of the open of an all elements of the specific positions by using of an array list. Fourth one of an method is the open index of an methods. The index of a method is used to the open an array list is used open a specific number of an index and by using of an array list. Last index of an element The last index of an elements is the method is use of the pen specific elements of the pen methods of an last index of an array, and this is the pen shows of the pen specific of an index of the last of the pen element. If you not of the pen specific elements of an last index, then it is in an shows of an -1, and -1 means of pen does not have of the pen index of last of the pen index, and sometimes it is the pen bound of the pen error. Then boolean of the pen method say the boolean of an method is used to the open open is used to the open open. It is in first it is in an array list of an specifics of the open number. It is check if number it is in an present in array list, so it is open a true open open. It is in an it is in an it is display on and the open a true, otherwise it is in an false, and the sometimes is the open exceptions handlings of the open error. After that it is the get methods. The get methods it is the fetch of the pen elements, and the specific of the positions is the pen get specific positions is the pen place. So it is use of the pen get methods. Then set of the methods. The sets of the pen method it is the pen fetch of the is used to the pen array list, and the fetch of the pen fetch of the elements of the fetch of the pen elements, and the set of the specific positions by using so pen array list. And the last method it is in an size of the pen. The size of the pen array list it depends upon the number of the pen array, and so it is in a display of the pen array list of the pen size. So it is the methods of an array list. That's all of an array list. Thank you.